The year is 1944. The battlefields of Europe are a maelstrom of steel and fire. But amidst the chaos, a different kind of war was being waged. One of shadows, whispers, and astonishing deception. This is the story of the Ghost Army. Imagine staring down a formidable Allied division, their tanks rumbling, their artillery poised, only to discover it was all a mirage. A theatrical masterpiece designed to fool the most hardened enemy. This wasn't about brute force. It was about brilliant minds and audacious tactics. A secret unit, the 23rd Headquarters Special Troops, comprised of artists, engineers, and sound technicians, was about to pull off one of the greatest hoaxes in military history. Their mission: to impersonate entire Allied divisions, to draw enemy fire, and to divert crucial resources away from the real front lines. But how do you convince an enemy that a balloon is a Sherman tank? And how do you make an army of ghosts sound like 1,000 men? The answer lay in a meticulously crafted symphony of deception. Giant inflatable tanks, jeeps, and artillery pieces were their stage props, constantly moving, constantly redeploying to create the illusion of a massive force. Specially designed sound trucks blasted pre-recorded audio of troop movements, the roar of engines, the shouts of men, the clatter of equipment, audible for miles, painting an auditory picture of a bustling army camp. And then there were the fake radio transmissions, a carefully orchestrated ballet of coded messages that further cemented the illusion. The Ghost Army was a masterclass in psychological warfare. They didn't fire a single shot in anger, yet their impact was profound. Time and again, they tricked Nazi intelligence, diverting vital resources and allowing real Allied forces to achieve decisive breakthroughs. The story of the Ghost Army remained classified for decades, their incredible contributions hidden from public view. They were artists who waged war with imagination, a testament to the power of human ingenuity even in the darkest of times. Their legacy reminds us that sometimes the most effective weapon isn't a bullet, but a brilliant idea. The Ghost Army, proving that sometimes the greatest strength lies not in what you see, but in what you think you see.